Well, I've been thinking. I've been thinking about that bark. Are we ever going to get it?
What do you got that stupid thing on your head for?
Because I want to
Are you going mining?
I'm not going mining.
You headed out to work?
I am headed out to work.
Going to the coal mine?
Yes.
Gold mine?
Ooh,
silver mine?
Gold mine would be nice.
Platinum mine?
All of the above would be spectacular.
How can I answer you with that thing on your head?
Rare metal. Rare metal.
She's
you had to
a
go
rare
to China
metal,
for
all
that.
right.
I'm a rare metal.
Oh yeah, you're a rare metal. What?
Have you talked about our bark?
No, I'm fine. I don't have a bark.
Are we going to be getting some bark?
Maybe.
When?
What difference does it make?
Well, I have to know what day I have to work hard.
What? Yeah, I can see how that's gonna go, just like it always does. Oh, I'm gonna go sit out for a while.
It'll still get done.
Yeah, I know.
Well, you don't have to do it.
Well, nobody else is gonna rush out there and do it.
I will do it.
Well, I want it done like in a day. I don't.
Well,
want
it's
it
not going to be
over
done in a
weeks.
day.
It's like, oh, we got the bark. We got bark, 2 weeks ago, and it's still. Oh, it's almost done.
Why does everything have to be done instantly with you?
It's called a job. You got a job? Do it. Get it done.
Well,
Not do it. Oh well, I hurt my arm. It's a little heavy. I have to go rest. 2 days later, you got to go out there. Oh, I hurt my arm. It's too heavy. I can't do this like that very often.
well, I can't work hard like you. I've not had a physical job all my life. I've been an office desk jockey.
No, you haven't.
Okay, well, part of it I have.
What do you call bartending?
Well, okay, that was different, but that was a long time ago.
That was a long time ago.
I haven't been a bartender for how many years?
So what? I haven't been a truck driver for years either, but I know how to drive a truck still.
Well, I know how to bartend, but I would have to do it from my wheelchair now. My feet wouldn't take it.
I bought a lemon.
You bought a lemon or you married a lemon?
False advertisement. Look at her.
I'm getting the look again.
I tell you one thing. If they showed me a picture of you sitting there like that, back when I first started going out with you, that would have been the last time I'd gone out with you. And so I'm like, no, there ain't no way I'm going to stay with that person looking like that.
What?
Jesus.
Are you scared of me?
No, you just look goofier than shit.
No, it's my helmet, you mean.
With your helmet, looks like your miner's hat. You look like one of those nerds.
I am a nerd.
One of those gamer nerds or something that's got all that crap doing it. So is that it? We done now?
No, you didn't answer my question yet.
What do you mean I didn't answer it? I said no.
No, you said yes, but you didn't say when.
I don't remember saying yes.
I asked if we were still getting bark, and you said yes.
Oh. All
And then I asked when.
And I don't know. I haven't seen Ken.
Okay.
My arms are starting to heal, and then she wants to go get a yard of bark dub so Dave can go out there and screw them up again. I want to spread it out, before snow.
I don't want to just spread it out there. I want it moved different places.
Oh, well, let's make it easier.
You thought I just wanted it spread out there?
Well, why else would you get it?
Because I want to put it in places.
Well, I got some suggestions.
Not those kind of places, honey.
My God.
Shadow?
Shadow,
Shadow, did you like your new poop box?
Well, there's a good conversation. Let's talk to the cat about pooping.
I think she feels special.
Where do you think you're gonna put that stuff?
Well, I'm going to put cardboard down around the raspberries, and then I'm going to cover it with that stuff. The bark. I'm going to put bark out on these 2 beds, probably these 3 beds. Maybe even that 4th one there. And then I want a bunch in my pathways in
It
my...
always looks so crappy after it turns old.
It does not look crappy.
It does look crappy.
It looks beachy.
It looks beachy. What the hell does that mean?
All you have to do is go out with a little spray bottle of oil and oil them all. They'll keep their looks.
All you have to do is go out and, like, judge them up.
Do what?
That's a cooking term.
I was gonna. What the hell? Do you know what that means? What do you do with bark? You judge up their bark.
Zhuzh.
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 Zhuzh it up a little bit.
Zhuzh it up.
Mix it up.
Why don't you just say mix it up?
She got her degree so she could use big words.
They're just painted there. Oh, this is just silver. It's
Green or black or something.
It just enough to see it on top of this asphalt. It wasn't any color. It was just like it was clear, you know, or
The
silver.
Nanaimo arrowheads have been here. We see their arrows on our driveways.
Yeah, on our driveway, on our road.
On our road.
Say, where's they pointing? Where they're pointing to? That's who they're after.
Someone down at the very, very end there.
Yeah, yeah. Figure out who it
Who
is.
lives in that house?
I don't know. I could scare the shit out of these.
I bet you they spend hours driving around the park
Who? Who?
looking for more
Who
signs.
the hell is this? Well, that guy, those people drive around here all the time. Well, who are they? Oh, they just drive around.
The crew. The crew. The crew. What do you call them?
I didn't know that was the crew. I didn't know that's what that meant.
The scooter babes.
Scooter babes. The scooter babes. There you go.
I bet you they did. Drove around the whole park looking for
Arrows.
more signs of the Nanaimo arrowheads.
Oh, God.
You're a troublemaker.
What? I
You've
didn't do
given me
nothing.
an idea of what to post in. I need to find a picture of an arrowhead.
No, you'd have to have a picture of that because it's kind of a squirrel. It's kind of like a gang thing, you know, but it's kind of squirrely and everything. And but at the end, it's an arrow, and it's
Is it
kind of
still
like
out there?
never. Yeah,
Okay, Lorrie,
Probably.
take a picture of it, please.
I don't know how well it.
Sharon.
I don't know how well it
Get
is.
your ass up and walk out there.
I don't know
You have
how
a look
well
at
that's
it.
it'll show up because it's pretty much the same color as the asphalt.
You can walk that far. It'd be good for you.
You don't need to be doing nothing. Starting shit with the neighbors now.
David made me.
David made me. I didn't make you to get on it.
David recognized this as a tag from the Nanaimo Arrowheads.
They're a subsidiary of Los Angeles Arrowheads. Well, you got Hell's Angels all over the place, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why couldn't they have arrowheads all over the place?
I'm sure there are.
They're like one step below Hell's Angels.
Yeah.
Didn't you hear their bikes roaring through here the other night?
Mm. Is that what that was?
That's the only reason I'd have a Harley, just to scare the shit out of these people. I'd sit out there at night and go, run, run. And shut it off and run in the house. They're coming! They're coming!
I welcome them. I like bikers.
Well, what do you think? Never mind.
They would come and rescue me.
They would they?
Yeah.
From what?
You.
Me?
Her.
What's their number?
Yeah, could you call them?
Come here. I'm gonna give them a call.
Can
Sharon's
they
ready.
Can
Come
they
on.
come today?
Sharon's
Mom needs to be rescued.
Yep, she's ready to go. Think you better bring.
Wait, we gotta pack her clothes. Give us an hour.
No. I just have to get down to their bike.
No, that would
be a video.
That would be a video. Me and Mom down there on a Harley taking off. Screaming the whole time. No.
Could you get your leg up and over?
Yeah, there you go. That would be the question.
Maybe they'd have one of those sidecars.
Yeah, could you get out of a sidecar?
Probably not.
You dump her in.
Have to like tip her over to
Dump
get her
her in.
out.
Just dump her in. Her old legs going down the road. Who's that? That's Nemo. Going with her biker friends. Watch, she'll hit the brakes and she'll flip. There, she's upright.
There she goes.
That would make a good video, wouldn't it?
That would make a good video. Now you just gotta find yourself some biker friends.
Wonder where that guy's dumping that dirt.
I thought you said you wanted a junkyard.
I know, I would love to have a junkyard, but that'd probably
Could you imagine Dave in a junkyard?
gotta do me in. Most
He'd be
likely.
tidying and organizing and
You organizing
No,
the junk.
do not put the dipsticks there. They go over here. No, I could be messy too if I wanted to.
You could you? Could you be as messy as me?
No,
Never.
that's. She always tells me, "Well, I'll finish cleaning up the dishes. Don't worry about it." Okay, right. You know what Dave does? 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning.
Clean dishes.
Finishes the dishes that Lorrie didn't finish the night before.
Oh, I got too tired. I just couldn't finish it. I just gonna do them in the morning. Okay? Yeah. Okay. I just.
Her morning doesn't start till noon.
I know, and she knows that, and she knows that there's some little fairy that comes in here or something, elf.
I don't think he's a fairy.
Comes in and does all that stuff before
Didn't I
she.
just accuse him of being
Yeah.
Yes.
Homo.
Male.
But she knows that little guy, whoever he is or whatever, comes in and she gets up and kitchen's all clean.
I'll cook. I'm gonna cook.
Must be
I'm gonna
time for
cook
me
some
to
more. It's clean. Time to make it look like shit.
Time to cook some more.
Time to cook some more. Why'd you turn that on?
I didn't.
It's on.
It's off.
No, it's not.
I turned it off.
How come there's little things on that window?
That just does that. Well, it's on, but it's not on.
She can't lie for
Are
crap.
you filming him?
She's the worst liar there is.
Have I ever filmed you without your knowledge?
That's a stupid question.
It's a rhetorical question, not a stupid question.
No, it's
There are no stupid questions.
Yes, there is. And that was one of them.